Ever get that feeling? Like you're throwing questions out to the void.
Yeah.
Kind of hoping for, I don't know, a sign, an answer.
Yeah.
What if, now stick with me here, what if the universe, like, actually answers back?
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
So we're on a deep dive today, checking out this blog, really interesting stuff. Blogger calls themselves Eclectic Scout.
Eclectic Scout.
Right. Anyway, their whole thing is, like, how did Buddha tap into this deeper, I don't know, universal knowledge?
Big questions. I like where this is going.
So get this right. Einstein, a whole decade wrestling with these hardcore science problems.
Yeah.
And then boom, the theories just appear.
It's true. It wasn't like one day he just woke up and he tick, tick, bam. Theory of relativity. Years of work. Intense focus.
Makes you think, right? All those times you're stuck on something, could be days, could be years, then click, it just works. Is that just our brains?
Oh.
Or, and this is where it gets wild, or is it something more?
Okay, I see where you're going with this. The blog's connecting Einstein to, let me guess, Siddhartha.
Ding, ding, ding. We got a winner.
Siddhartha Gautama. 2,500 years before Einstein, bam, enlightenment.
Yeah.
Becomes the Buddha.
Two very different paths, but both challenged what everyone thought they knew. Took a hard look at the world, said, nope, doesn't work that way. Like Einstein and relativity, space, time, not what we thought. Blew everyone's minds.
Exactly. And the blogger's saying they both Einstein, both Buddha, figured out something huge about, well, reality.
Yeah, with Einstein, it was all about relativity, how everything is connected, but depending on your viewpoint, you get a different picture. Buddha, same idea, but he focused on the interconnectedness of everything.
Right.
Everything. No separation, just an illusion.
Now hold on to your hats, because this is where it gets really freaky. The blog says Siddhartha taught the universe was made of very small things, way before atoms existed as a concept.
Whoa, hold up a sec. That's a popular take, for sure.
Yeah.
But Siddhartha, he wasn't talking about atoms the way we think of them now, more like everything, thoughts, feelings, stuff you can touch. It's all in constant flux, impermanence. That's the big idea. So if everything's always shifting, changing, does that mean the answers are changing too? Whoa, that's heavy. And the blog is saying, to get those answers, you got to quiet the mind. Just listen.
And that's where the universe whispering back comes in. Tons of spiritual folks, they say the same thing. Meditation, mindfulness, just being out in nature. Shut off the noise. And you start to hear things, like a little voice inside.
So is this like divine intervention, God talking to us? Or is it just, our intuition finally getting a word in edgewise?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? What feels right to you? Ever had that moment an answer just pops into your head? Like from, I don't know, somewhere else.
Totally. So maybe, and this is a big maybe, there's this wisdom inside us, around us. We can tap into it. Maybe by digging deep like Einstein, or maybe by quieting down like Siddhartha. Who knows?
The way I see it, whether it's a higher power or some hidden potential we all got, the important thing is to question everything, look at things differently, and really listen to that gut feeling. Maybe, just maybe, that's the universe whispering back.
Please click like and then subscribe. Also share this video with your friends. Thank you.